Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ce 16e épisode du Let's Play Enderal. La dernière fois, donc on avait accepté une requête de Yuslan Sharim. Il souhaite reconstituer une espèce de machine un peu étrange, capable de voyager à travers les dimensions de la mer des éventualités. Voilà, un truc un peu bizarre. Donc on avait récupéré un cristal, une espèce de mécanisme ancien. Et donc là on doit retrouver Yuslan dans l'autre ville. Ah, Yuslan.
Come to bets.
There you are.
Talk to Russia.
Very well. Nice place, isn't it? While the Neramis are in front of our gates, the people down here are bashing each other's heads in, and the crowd is cheering them on.
Vous avez un problème d'éthique avec les combats de fosse? Vous, un sinistrope?
I don't have a problem with it. I don't care what people do down here for their amusement. Be that as it may, I finished reconstructing the Planeswalker. It was expensive and arduous, but the result turned out better than expected.
Excellent. Et où est-ce qu'il est?
In a safe place. Come along.
From the upper city, huh? You got guts walking around with all that stuff down here.
Allez, Yuslan. Attends, il a disparu?
War, after all these centuries, it's just plain crazy.
What do you want? To cock at me? Just leave. Please.
Eh bien, on est bien accueillis.
They come creeping from every corner down here, don't they? Either way, here it is. The Planeswalker.
C'est énorme. Et cette chose peut nous transporter dans d'autres réalités, c'est ça?
Correct. But in order for it to do that, we need to activate it first. See those 3 crystal fragments worked into the casing?
Oui. C'est le cristal d'éther?
Well observed. Essentially, the Planeswalker creates a distortion in reality. Imagine the following. When you cast a fireball, this fireball is coming from another eventuality, correct? Accelerated heat you conjure right into your fingertips. While you're doing this, there's a brief moment in time where the door between this eventuality and our world stands ajar.
Oui, d'accord.
Good. The problem is that this rift normally exists for only a split second. And this is where the Planeswalker comes into play. It maintains the rift the moment we create it.
D'accord, ok. En d'autres termes, nous devons lancer un sort pour créer une faille, puis le marche-plan la gardera ouverte.
Yes. I will cast the spell, but I will need to borrow from your strength. You'll see why.
D'accord. Quand est-ce qu'on commence?
In a moment. Once the rift is open, we'll only have a limited amount of time, so 3 things in advance. First of all, according to Dalmaric, planeswalking is extremely dangerous.
Mais pourquoi on le fait alors si c'est super dangereux? Et comment ça se fait?
Well, he thinks that an eventuality recognizes irregularities after a certain amount of time, and corrects them. In other words, massive arcane fever and a brain hemorrhage. so we'll have very little time.
Ah
over
oui, mais en fait c'est
there.
super
Secondly,
dangereux.
the further an eventuality is located from our strand, the less time we can stay in it. Realities in which Vin doesn't even exist would correct us the moment we step through the rift.
Donc, est-ce qu'on peut contrer cette correction avec de l'ambroisie?
I doubt it. Trying to counteract an eventuality with ambrosia is probably as helpful as putting a warm compress around your neck after someone has decapitated you.
Ouais, ouais. Et à quelle distance de notre éventualité on peut aller?
How should I know? One would have to experiment to find that out. And considering what's at stake, I think that's a bad idea.
Ouais, en fait j'ai l'impression que tout ça c'est une très mauvaise idée, mais comme je suis ton ami, Yuslan, je vais t'accompagner. Sinon quoi d'autre?
Well, let me put it this way. I'd actually prefer to go through the rift by myself, but knowing you, I doubt you'd stay behind.
Effectivement, ouais.
But, and this is important, once we're there, please don't follow me. Look around, explore the area, do whatever you feel like doing. But let me carry out my task in peace.
Mais attends,
Please.
mais c'est pas juste. Pourquoi tout ce mystère? Dites-moi simplement ce que vous comptez faire là-bas.
It involves a person who was once very important to me. Are you satisfied? Or do I need to pour out my whole heart to you?
Tout ça pour ça? Bon, très bien.
Good. Then let's waste no more time, shall we? Here, take this and cast it at my command. Do it from... wait. Yes, from over there. Let's begin.
Ah putain, ça allait très vite.
Rush. It worked. By the name of the sun. It worked. It actually worked.
Où est-ce qu'on est?
Hira. The Siras Islands, a few miles from the shore near Al Rashim. You feel it too, don't you? The fever?
Oui, mais c'est différent, plus intense.
It is. It must be the eventuality trying to correct us, just as Dalmarek said it would. In other words, the clock is ticking.
Faisons vite alors. Mais qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant?
Look for someone. Prophet. Thank you. I know I'm not the easiest person to get along with, but this... it means a lot to me. Give me 10 minutes, will you? Take a look around, do what you will, but be careful.
D'accord, bah je vous retrouve ici dans 10 minutes.
Yes, you will.
Moi j'ai envie de le suivre. En fait, j'ai très envie de savoir... Allez, on va le suivre. Parce que je suis un petit coquin. Non mais moi ça m'intrigue ce qu'il fait. Je veux savoir pourquoi on prend autant de risques. Oula.
I liked it. What do you think, love?
It was magnificent. We'll make a great bard out of you yet.
Really?
Really. And you know what? Because you did so well, I'll tell you a secret.
What is it?
It's a secret, so I can only tell you and not Mommy. Come over here and I'll tell you.
Hey, that's not fair.
Nothing in the world is fair, love. So, Princess, what do you say?
Okay.
Just a little closer. The secret is... the tickle monster is hungry again!
You two.
Il vient rendre visite à sa famille en
Secret?
fait.
The little princess is way past her bedtime already, and she knows it. Because I have told her before.
Alright, I'm going.
Look how she's grown. Time really does fly, doesn't it?
No argument there. I'll finish the letter, okay? You go upstairs and get some sleep. You've earned it.
Okay. Don't be too long, alright?
Don't worry, I won't. Hey, I love you.
I love you too, Naya.
Yuslan,
You just had to do it, didn't you?
c'était vous dans cette maison, n'est-ce pas? Le Yuslan de cette réalité?
Well observed.
Je suis désolé, mais notre temps est compté. Vous la sentez, la fièvre?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yuslan, qu'est-ce que vous faites? On doit sortir d'ici.
Huh? I'm afraid I've changed my mind. I'm staying.
Quoi? Mais vous ne pouvez pas, on a besoin de vous.
How touching. My daughter. And my wife. Naya. The man that world out there made me into. I never wanted to be like him. All I wanted was to live a normal life, like the Juzlan of this world gets to. But that's just the way of things. The world doesn't care what you want. It decides. We endure.
Et si Dalmarak avait tort?
What do you mean?
Nous mourrons si nous restons ici, d'accord? Mais et si notre mort avait un effet sur ce monde?
You... No. Dalmaric's writings are clear. We die, and it's over. A peaceful death, in a peaceful world.
Dalmarak a fait sauter Talgard. Il était faillible. Et si votre mort tue aussi le Yuslan de cette réalité?
You mean... You're clever. I have to hand it to you. You're really clever. The problem is, however, that you could be right. And I can't afford to take that risk. So... I'm coming with you. But... Give me one more moment, will you? Just one.
Promis.
Let's go.
C'est un peu une prise d'otage là que j'ai fait, mais ouais, c'est pas cool. Et je vois pas comment j'aurais pu faire ça autrement. Il aurait jamais accepté. Ah, il me fait de la peine, Yuslan. En fait, tous, ils me font tous de la peine. Ils ont l'air tous torturés. En même temps, quelle situation de merde. On est à l'aube de la fin du monde. Et tout semble contre nous. Ouais, il faut qu'on se dépêche. Yuslan?
Farewell.
Et moi, je fais comment? Ah, c'est bon.
You're all right. I'm sorry. I don't know what got into me.
Ravi que vous ayez retrouvé vos esprits.
Yes, so am I. The house, their voices, it was simply too much to bear. I must ask your forgiveness.
Il n'y a rien à pardonner. S'il n'y avait pas eu la mission, je ne serais pas intervenu.
I am grateful that you saved me. Now that I'm back here, I know that staying would have been the wrong choice. Still, I don't regret doing what we did. It showed me something. I believe that concludes our business, does it not? Thank you, again. I think we both know you've earned yourself more than just a couple of pennies. Wait a moment. Yes, here it is. This key will open a deposit box in the bank. The item you'll find there is for you. It's an heirloom, but I think you'll have more use for it than I will. I think we might have been friends had we met in another world. Who knows? I will see you back at the temple. There's a lot that needs doing.
Bon, une bonne chose de faite. Hein. Allez.
Yes.
Bon, maintenant direction d'une ville. Pour... On va rejoindre le chantier du dirigeable. Donc, petit résumé, selon l'archimagistère Meragil, un astrelin nommé Kurmai a récemment cambriolé un entrepôt des baraquements d'Ark. Son objectif, obtenir de l'ombre acier pour son dirigeable, qu'il veut utiliser pour retrouver la patrie perdue des astrelins. Pour une raison qui nous échappe, les anciens plans astrelins que Kurmai utilise pour construire son dirigeable ressemblent à ceux de la balise. Cela signifie-t-il que ce sont les anciens astrelins qui ont construit la balise ? Même si ce n'était pas le cas, il semblerait qu'il connaissait l'existence du cycle. Meragil veut que j'aide Kurmai à terminer son dirigeable. Salut.
Prophet, it's good to see that you're here. Just follow the hallway down into the cave. That Starling man is on the ship. Or whatever you want to call it.
Ok, ça marche. Oh. Excellent.
Well, he can't have built it all by himself. Just look at that thing. It's unbelievable.
I know, but apparently those steel spiders helped him. Interesting creatures, really. With enough of them, we could build another sun temple.
J'ai rencontré d'autres araignées comme ça. Elles étaient beaucoup moins sympathiques.
What he did ask for was a tube with a circumference of 3 fingers' length. And does this look like 3 fingers' length to you? His thoughts exactly. Now bring him a new one. Chop chop.
Ok.
Well, well. You are the one everyone is talking about. Kurmai Kazor Tatakajape. Pleased to meet you.
On m'a dit que vous aviez besoin d'aide pour finir votre bateau.
Material, not help. To be honest, with all those brutes hammering on Gertrude right now, he is more concerned for her well-being than for his own need to be helped out.
Gertrude?
Ah, Gertrude. That's her name. It expresses both elegance as well as dignity, don't you think?
Oui.
In her embrace, we will find the ancient fathers.
Je vois. Mais nous ferons partie de votre expédition dès que Gertrude sera prête à voler, non?
That's the deal, yes. Even though he wonders what you hope to find up there. Anyway, enough talk. They say you are quite skilled in finding things. And there are things that need to be found to finish Gertrude. Sakabaku copper alloys and a Pyrian crystal cube. Find them. The sooner the better.
Ah putain, on doit encore chercher des trucs. Et où est-ce que je suis censé trouver ça?
Well, that's the challenge. The alloys can probably be found in one of the old Starling mines in the Powder Desert. The crystal cube. That's a bit more complicated. But as far as he knows, you might find one in Thalgard. In the time of the expansion, there was a famous Starling tinkerer working under Dalmarak, and he must have used similar cubes in his work.
D'accord.
Here, I'll mark both locations on your map. Please don't die. That would be most unpleasant. Ah, and one of the Arcanists was so kind as to put a teleport rune in the cave, so you can use this scroll to return here. And now, excuse him. There's a lot to do, and Gertrude does not like to be kept waiting.
Bon bah au boulot. Voilà le cube. Bah, c'est parfait, on a tout ce qu'il faut. Me revoilà.
Any luck?
Vous aviez raison à propos du cube. Effectivement, il était dans la vieille ruine.
Ah, he thought so. Very good work. Your reputation is well deserved.
Et j'ai également trouvé les alliages. Enfin, je pense.
Perfect, that's them. Good work.
C'est tout ce qu'il fallait, n'est-ce pas?
Yes, he didn't expect it, but you and your order have been of great assistance indeed. Give him one more day and Gertrude will fly through the heavens like a fairy.
D'accord.
Ah, and you should go to the captain's cabin before you leave. Your Grand Master arrived a short while ago, and it seems he wants to talk to you.
Ouais, très bien, on va aller le voir. C'est par là qu'il faut passer. T'es alors?
Have you found the missing pieces?
Oui. Et il a dit que le navire sera prêt à voler dans un jour.
Good. According to Kurmai, your journey will last 2 days. I've instructed him to first head for the Nexus Tower. According to the Starling writings, this is where the ancient fathers kept all their knowledge. The heart of the Star City, so to speak. Ah, you will not be traveling on your own. The mercenaries, Sakaresh, Magistra Yaela, and her adjutant will accompany you. I expect you to be back in the temple in 1 week, with knowledge about the Numinas.
Ah oui, c'est un voyage assez long en fait. Est-ce que Ark supportera le siège pendant ce temps?
As long as Sharim's barriers are holding, yes. However, we should not rely on them.
Et où sont les autres?
They will be there when the ship leaves. Before you go, however, I suggest you return to Ark to properly equip yourself. Who knows what you will be facing up there?
Non, je pense qu'on a largement ce qu'il faut. On va juste attendre le départ du navire. Ah, Kalia.
Saira, it's good to see you.
Bah, de même. Et j'espère, comment ça va?
Who's here? Talk to Kamai if you're ready to start. He's just waiting for your signal.
Ok, ok. On est accompagné par Lijam.
To be precise,
Oh, hey.
because
It's good that you're here.
flies on her own
Can you believe
as
it?
soon as the coordinates
I mean that we are
set.
seriously on board an airship and will soon set out for the lost city of the Starlings. I can't.
Ouais, c'est incroyable.
Laughed at him, but you have listened instead. Now he will be the first of his people to meet the ancient fathers. It is hard to believe that.
Et bon, non, moi je suis surpris. On va dire ça. Ouais, je suppose que je suis un peu difficile à surprendre compte tenu de ce qui est arrivé au cours des derniers mois.
You do have a point there. But anyway, let's see if that thing even flies. Who knows?
Oui, oui, ce serait bien si elles volent. Ben
The
voilà.
others are expecting you. Ah, and there's one more thing. This amulet belonged to my son. I want you to have it. Wear it or not, the choice is yours. Now leave. And do not disappoint me.
Roche de Narazu là. Le temps entre les talents diminue de 20%. D'accord. Il va faire un discours ou il faut que je le rejoigne?
The last passenger has arrived. It is a pleasure.
Pareil. Je vais voir Cormail. Alors Cormail.
Welcome aboard. How are things going? Are you ready?
Bah bien sûr, on peut commencer.
Well then. All aboard! Then raise the ramp! She's taking off!
On va vraiment décoller?
And there we go. Good.
Attends.
Very good.
Oh! Excellent!
Fly!
Super! Coincé dans un tonneau? Ça arrive. Magnifique.
Well, look who's here. How are you?
Bien, et vous? J'avoue, on est sur un aéronef en route vers la patrie des anciens Astrolins. J'avoue être plutôt excité.
Yes, excited. I guess I feel the same. Well, did you want something in particular, or are you just looking for some company?
Le grand maître m'a dit que vous faites des recherches sur la culture du peuple des étoiles depuis des décennies. Pourquoi? Vous n'êtes pas Astrolide?
You're right. But on the other hand, do you have to be a mummy in order to dedicate yourself to archaeology? The
Oui, c'était une question un peu stupide.
I have been fascinated by them since I was a child. You must know, their technology is so powerful that if they wanted to, they could probably conquer the entire civilized world with it. But they don't. And why? Because they all share the same dream instead.
Le rêve d'accomplir les anciennes prophéties et de retourner chez eux?
Exactly. A place without war or hunger, where all are born equal and enjoy the same rights, regardless of their standing in society. And for some reason, this thought has fascinated me as much as the Starlings themselves do. Call it a fantasy, but if there is such a place, if it really is like the old legends, we'd be able to learn so much from the ancient fathers. And, well, there it is, the answer to your question. I suppose that this naive hope is the reason for my interest in the Star People's culture.
Est-ce que vous croyez qu'une telle société est possible?
Well, that is a good question. I guess we'll have to wait until we find one. Anyway, let us continue our conversation at a later time, shall we? I want to enjoy the night sky. Who knows how many more chances we will have.
Bah, je vous laisse tranquille. Hein. Comment ça va?
Point of view, isn't it? I really wish the war and the High Ones weren't casting shadows over all of this. This world can be so beautiful.
Ah, je suis bien d'accord. C'est magnifique. Hey, j'espère.
It's a crazy world, isn't it?
À qui le dites-vous?
On our way to a forgotten city in the clouds, and I'm part of it. It just sounds surreal. But anyway, it's good that you're here. I wanted to talk to you. Do you have a second?
Oui, je ne serais pas ici sinon.
You have a point there. How should I put it? I wanted to thank you. I'm not sure if you know it, but all that's happened since I plucked you out of that thicket on the Sun Coast, it did something to me. I think I've understood something, as corny as it may sound.
Quoi?
It's hard to put into words. You know, I still believe what I told you that time we met at the Dancing Nomad. That we all act as we do because we hope it makes us happy. But somehow, in no small part thanks to my father, I've always considered responsibility and being happy to be contradictory. But actually, that's wrong. It's the exact opposite.
Ah, ça fait plaisir de l'entendre.
To be truly content, we need connection. To a person, to a cause, to anything. If you never find that, you'll never find yourself.
C'est bien, j'espère, c'est bien. Eh bien, ça change certainement de ce que vous disiez au nuage d'argent. Nous naissons seuls et nous mourrons seuls.
Yeah, I said that. And I still think it's true to an extent. You're on your own if you want to be. I'm responsible for what happened to Adila and to Lycia, because I never wanted to be responsible. Sounds strange, doesn't it? But I can't change what happened. I'll just have to live with that.
Donc, ce que vous dites en gros, c'est que nous avons tous besoin d'une raison de vivre, c'est ça?
Maybe, maybe not. In the end, I can only speak for myself. The fact is, though, that that it feels like I owe this world to be right here, right now, as part of something momentous. And I like how that feels. That surprises me. No matter how all this ends, I will have no regrets. The same goes for our friendship. That's what I wanted to tell you. Despite all the trouble we got ourselves into, I'm glad that our paths crossed. For whatever reason they did.
Le sentiment est réciproque, j'espère.
Thanks. But anyway, enough of this sentimental babble for now. You should probably rest a little. Who knows what awaits us up there?
Ça me fait plaisir de l'entendre dire ce genre de choses. Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Qu'est-ce qui nous attend à l'Astreville, d'après vous?
Well, peace, hopefully. Forgive him, but he has no better answer.
Vous pensez qu'on va arriver quand?
It will take some more time. Use it to stretch your legs or to talk to your friends. You will know when it is time.
Ok. Bon, apparemment vous avez pas l'air très enjoué, très enjoint à discuter. On m'a dit que je pouvais discuter avec Kalia. Ah!
Saira, how are... Okay, let's just skip the small talk. I was never good at that. I wanted to see you because there's something I need to show you. Follow me.
D'accord.
I couldn't sleep, so I used the chance to take a look around. The thought that Kermine did this all by himself... It's incredible. It would take dozens of Undrellian craftsmen at least 5 years to do this. So, are you ready?
Bah oui.
Good.
Oh. Oh. Qu'est-ce que c'est que cette chose?
Kurmai told me about this place. This sphere is what keeps us in the air, and it draws its energy from the water. Crystal water, that's what he called it. I just had to see it for myself. It's beautiful, don't you think?
C'est étonnant, ouais.
In any case,
He just can't believe it. No, he just can't believe it.
Oh, damn.
Laisse-moi deviner. On n'a pas le droit d'être là.
No, quickly, run.
Putain. Pourquoi je me fais entraîner là-dedans, moi?
That should do it. Now, wait a second.
What part of vertical didn't you understand? He thinks his instructions were clear. Stay here. Do nothing. But no. You decide to run around the ship and open whatever door crosses your path.
Ah.
And no,
C'est bon, il
don't
nous a pas
do
repérés.
anything like that. Next time, there will be consequences.
C'est bon, tranquille.
Well, okay.
Sauvé par le gong, je suppose.
Yes.
Oula, ça va?
Saira, that... I just...
Oui. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
By the name of the sun, I just can't believe it. Here we are, on a mission to save mankind, and instead of sharpening our weapons and talking gloomily, we play hide and seek like two little kids who just stole an apple from their neighbor. That's just bizarre, isn't it?
Oui. Ouais, je suppose.
Anyway, I guess we're safe down here, at least for a while. Actually, I don't mind. This place, it makes me feel serene.
Je
Lets
comprends,
you forget
c'est...
why we're here.
C'est vrai, qu'est-ce qui vous est arrivé? Vous semblez différente.
Do I? In a good or bad way?
Bah, d'une bonne manière.
That's good to hear. You know, Saira, I've been thinking about what happened in the castle and the talk we had after that.
Oui. Et quelle est votre conclusion?
Well, do you remember when I said that I should maybe just give up and accept that I'll never be able to fully control that thing inside me? You tried to comfort me and told me that what happened in the castle was just an accident, and that with just enough tenacity, I could make sure it would never happen again. At first I was grateful, but then I thought about it and realized that there was actually some truth in what I had said. You know, all my life, I've tried to kill that part of me because it made me feel despicable. And every time I failed, I hated myself for it and thought that I was just too weak. But that was the wrong way to look at it from the very start. This thing, the only way to truly kill it would be to kill myself. And I can't and won't do that.
Ouf.
Not now, when there's so much at stake.
Tu
nor in
me
the
rassures
future
là.
if there is one.
Mais qu'est-ce que vous essayez de dire? Que vous allez lui laisser libre cours?
No, I won't let it harm anyone ever again. But I'll accept that it's a part of me.
Ouais.
You know, Saira, what good did all the self-loathing ever do? I've been dealt a tough hand, and with that thing and these urges inside of me, I'll never be like the others. I think that's the best, maybe the only way to deal with something like this. Accept it, as despicable as it may be, because it is part of who you are. Do you understand what I mean? I'm not deluding myself. Living with this thing will be something I have to wrestle with for the rest of my life. There will always be moments of weakness when it will try to get the best of me. But I will always resist. and I will do so without condemning myself every time it happens. And in the meantime, I will live. I will do all the things that I never allowed myself to do. Build friendships, go see the world, and go dancing. Even if the latter would be a rather amusing sight.
Et n'oubliez pas se cacher dans un navire volant.
Yes, and that.
Ça semble être un bon plan.
It does, yes. And it surprises me just how much. I'm not sure if I could have gotten here without you. Your friendship, it means a lot to me. And I hope we'll find this Numenos in the Forgotten City, because there are still so many things I want to do after all this is over. Kurmai should be gone by now, so I think it's safe to go upstairs without him noticing you.
Vous allez rester ici, c'est ça?
For a while, yes. As I said, I like this place. And I need some time to sort through my thoughts.
Alors je vous reverrai plus tard.
You will.
Couchez-vous. Je suis con. Oh.
Hasn't anyone noticed us yet? They probably just haven't seen us yet. The clouds, that's it.
Or the city is deserted. Looks like it to me.
Nonsense! Now quiet. He needs to concentrate.
Ah, there you are. I was just about to wake you. We came across the first of these floating buildings about 3 hours ago. The Valley of 1,000 Clouds. That's what the Starlings called it.
Ça a l'air un peu vide.
Noticed, it's a little too, well, quiet.
Ouais, c'est ce que je me disais. Ouais, cette ville ne semble pas très animée, hein. Voire pas du tout. C'était pas censé être comme ça, non?
No, not at all. But who knows? Maybe it's as the Starling says, and we'll be surprised.
Et cette tour massive au milieu, c'est là qu'on doit chercher le Luminos, n'est-ce pas?
Correct, yes. The Nexus Tower. By Malphus, it's a pity we don't have the time to explore this place more thoroughly. Just imagine how much history is hidden in each one of these stones. It's incredible. Maybe we can come back here one day, once we've stopped the cleansing.
Bah ouais, bien sûr. J'ai bien peur que Kurmai le prenne un peu mal, hein.
He was at first, yes. But he's grown more distant the closer we've gotten. Let's just hope for the best.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant?
Well, first of all, let us take a look at it up close. Then we'll see.
Still, no one. That must mean something, right?
He will find them. He will find them, and they will listen.
Hey, wait! By the righteous path. That's not good at all. Come on, we have to follow him.
I've never seen anything so beautiful.
Et dépêchez-vous! Oh là là!
Let's not jump to conclusions, shall we? Somebody must have built this place, and somehow the maps which led us here have ended up in the hands of the Starlings. Ancient fathers or not, whoever was capable of creating something like this must also have known things. Let's just wait and see.
Father Eurolai, Father Jotanax, Father Rajimon, he is here, and he has found you, just as your prophecy foretold. Now open the gates!
Oh my. I sense drama.
By the stars! Why do you punish him with silence? He found you. He fulfilled your prophecy. So let him inside. No. No, 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 no. This isn't happening. This isn't happening.
Kurmai.
Yes. Yes, he is here. He is sorry, Magistra. It was a mistake to come here. This place is dead, and the ancient fathers died with it.
Very poetic, pal, but now you're overdoing it. Who says they're dead? Maybe your ancient fathers just left for someplace else.
Peut-être.
Yes, I'm sure they did.
Look, I am sorry this place isn't what you had hoped it would be. I really am. But Dalveric is right. You shouldn't jump to conclusions, and despair won't help you either. We should inspect this place before deciding anything. Don't you agree?
Oh,
The only
Corbeil.
question is how to get inside.
We could try breaking this gate open.
Splendid idea, boy. Do you have a battering ram with you? Myrid-sized, preferably?
This place must have a side entrance. Kermai?
Yes, probably.
Well, then let's go look for it. We split up. Sister Sakarish, you accompany Kermai and take a closer look at the area around the docks. Legium and I will examine the eastern part of the city.
Et moi je suis tout seul.
And you and
Ah.
Dalveric scout the west.
Ok, ok.
If anyone finds anything, call the rest of the group before doing anything else. Now off you go.
Ok.
Well, I'd say that went differently than expected. But all tragedy aside, this place must be the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Come on, you go ahead. I'll be right behind you.
Je sais pas trop par où aller. Non, y a rien. C'est beau, mais c'est tristement vide. Moi je m'attendais à voir des astrolins. Oh, aïe aïe aïe. C'est super. Faut pas tomber par contre.
Hey, over here.
Oui.
That looks like a side entrance to me. Come, let's go get the others.
De quoi là?
Good. That looks exactly like what we needed. Anything we should know about the interior, Kermai? Traps?
No.
Well then. Legium and Sister Sakarish, you stay and guard the ship. If we haven't returned, or if you haven't heard from us within 12 hours, you're to take the ship back to Ark. Understood?
Understood.
Then let's be off.
C'est parti. Je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là pour cette fois-ci. On reprendra pour la prochaine fois. Je vous remercie d'avoir regardé l'épisode jusqu'au bout. Puis je vous donne rendez-vous dans le prochain, bien sûr. Allez, à la prochaine.